Alright, this is how to adjust the Rain Bird 32 SA. The nozzle flow, you control that here. It's got a Phillips screw. Now if you want it to be a stronger stream, you're going to turn it to the left, counterclockwise. You turn it clockwise, the screw will come down and spray harder and reduce the flow. So you're going to turn that to the right. These are fixed to the left side. You see this arrow here? So it's not going to turn any further to the left. That's your stop. 0. You want to go 90 degrees, 180 degrees. If it stops here, you're going to increase the angle with this adjustment to the plus side. Turn that to the right. The more you turn it, the more it'll allow you for the angle to get increasingly larger, all the way to 360 degrees if you so desire. I think it's from 40 degrees to 360. This is on a 180, so I've got it shooting to the left at 0. Its spray pattern comes all the way here to the sidewalk. That's 180 degrees. If it's not far enough, I'm just going to turn it to the plus side a little bit more.